connected? I mean, they're gonna, when they get extended, I guess then they connect these pieces here so the train can come in on this side?
Well, these are switches.
Oh, they are switches. In other words, they can come, they can, they can cross that gap?
Yep. Watch how it moves. This thing is funky. It's pretty funky.
Oh.
See it?
Oh.
See the way it flips?
I'm glad you pointed that out because I was wondering how they do that.
Wild, huh?
Okay, that is.
Doors are closing. Please hold on while the train is moving. Jet Air, Delta,
Yeah, we went over the switch.
EVA Airways, Korean Airlines, not Polish, Lufthansa,
Some people in here.
Smart Air, Mexicana, Miami Air, Midwest Express, Mercedes Express, Northwest, North American, SAS.
Miles an hour.
Really?
Almost 1.
And you'll see in between each terminal there's a set of crossovers, so you can run single track in between terminals should a train become disabled. So unlike most monorail systems or fixed guideway systems, the system doesn't stop when a train breaks down. They run around it.
We can do that.
Naturally, there's two lines coming from the top on the bottom part of that screen. That goes to this building here. So they do everything. They remove and restore power. They operate the trains. They control the switches. Those two guys there at path are the equivalent of the train master, the train dispatcher, the assistant train master, the power.
Right. You have 3 of them over here for more significant rate work, or work that requires access to underneath the train or the roof of the train.
Now the top running coordination speed about 31 or 32.
You walk on the conveyance and look up. As you see, it's not like a mass transit.
You guys have train getting out for wear. You know, I think we did have one case of there was a manufacturer defect of a truck tire. We had to change that one. On the rail, on the power system, particularly going over switches. And so those are spaced such that there's always at least one of them that's in contact with the rail, with the power source, usually 2 of them. Bogies for these trains. There's 7 of them on the train. See, it's in a 600 volt. What is this thing? KW.
Train.
Please hold on while the
Wish they had a rear railroad runs.
rental cars and buses to Alamo, Enterprise, and Liberty rental cars.
Stay okay with New
Please
York
hold
State.
on while the train